This video will provide instructions on how to collect data using Trigno Discover. Once the sensors have been configured, following the instructions in the previous trial setup video, begin data collection by clicking Start Collection. Data will begin to stream through in real time. To go to the Y-bounds for the data, click the Go to Y-bounds button. To automatically scale the Y-axis range to fit the data, click the Auto Scale toggle. The Link Axis toggle will link the Y-axis of all data channels of the same type. Clicking and dragging the Y-axis will zoom or pan on an individual channel. To change between zooming and panning, select the Y-axis behavior toggle. Change the size of a plotting window by selecting the plus button in the channel you want to change and choosing the expand icon to maximize a plotting window within the column or the screen. The window can be collapsed by pressing the same icon. You can adjust each plot's vertical position by dragging the plot boundaries. To reset the plots to their default sizes, select the Reset Plot Sizes button. To alter the X-axis scale, manually adjust the sliding scale or type in a value. Altering the X-axis scale can also be achieved by scrolling in and out. To quickly pan within a channel, left-click and drag in the data window. Click the Go to Live Trace button or press the F2 button on the keyboard to return to real-time plotting. Events can be marked by pressing the F5 button on the keyboard or by right-clicking to add an event. Click and drag a marker to adjust it. Pressing the F6 button on the keyboard will make an event marker pair, which can be adjusted as well. For more information on data plotting shortcuts, hover over the eye icon. When data collection is finished, click the Stop button to end the trial. After the trial is ended, the full set of data will be available for review. To expand a region of your data, right-click and drag around the target area. Data can be quickly exported directly into a desired file format from the Export function in the top right of the screen. For further details on export options, please refer to our Advanced Export Options video. For more advanced review options, please refer to our event marking tutorial. Quickly configure the next trial by clicking the gear button, making changes, and then choosing Apply. To watch the next video in the Trigno Discover Getting Started series, click here. For additional information and assistance, visit deltis.com/support. And be sure to connect with us on our socials.